Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at how you use the feature grouping feature in our platform, which is essentially designed to lock certain features of an app and have users request access. So we're going to take a look at one of our apps. The first thing you need to do is go into the Create App section right here, and it will pull up your screen for the back office where all the features are. And in the Build section, come over here under Advanced Settings. You would need to turn this on, so enable it. Right now it's off. Actually, it's been enabled, so it is on. Sorry, it's the feature grouping here. It's disabled. We need to enable it. So I'm going to enable it right now, hit the update button, then come back out to my dashboard and log into the app. Now what you'll see is when you've logged in your customer list, click on Manage Customers, and over here you're going to see grant permission and groups. Okay, so grant permission basically, this you click this and this is what will be available for all your users by default. Okay, so these are all the different features that are turned on inside of this specific app. Okay, all the things with the check mark have been turned on. So I'm just going to, what I'm going to do is I'm going to include this, and let me just see what can I not include. I will take out what will I take out? I will take out the image gallery. Actually, I'm just going to disable the denim dollars, which is the points spend-based reward system. So you can see that's disabled. Come down here, hit the submit button, and now the feature is turned off. So anyone that tries to access this feature in the app will get a pop-up that says, request access. And at that point, they click the button, and an email is sent to the admin. Okay, and then they're able to come in and turn it on for that specific user. So let's just see what that is. So again, steps involved here. This is the default. So the default, if you means that any you can set up all these different features and say all the default features are on. So anyone that downloads the app has access to all of these different things. The ones that are not checked would mean that you would need permission to get access to that. Okay. So what we would do now is go to the next thing in the customer list here. And you see this little link here that says group. So you are able to create different types of groups or categories of users. So in this example, we've got basic, premium, silver, gold, and what you can do, just type in a name, like I'll just type in the word, one, and you'll see that one comes up over here, and then I'm just going to delete that because we don't need that. But what you're able to do when you type in the name and create a group, you're able to come in here and manage the permissions for that specific group of people. Right, so anyone that has this grouping in their customer profile will have access to, for example, basic group will have access to only, 2 features in this example, right? So you can see they've got no access. So you can set up, different groups and give each group different access to the different features you have in your app. Hoping that's making sense so far. So now that that's done, let's take a look at what it's going to look like inside of the app. Okay, so I'm opening this app up now, and you can see the home screen here. So this is where the rewards are. So when I click that, you'll see this. I get this pop up. I have to request access. If I hit OK, nothing happens. But if I request access, the system will automatically send an email to the admins of the app saying such and such user has asked for access. And then they're able to go into that user's account, which is right here. Click on the customer file. And over here, when you click on their name or any one of those links, you open up the CRM, hit show hide there, and right here you can see the assign to user group, and you're able to give them access to whatever group you want to give them access to. So whatever group has that feature enabled, you're able to go and turn that on right here and hit the update button, and boom, that customer will now have access immediately to that feature. So this gives you a way to lock features that are more premium. You could have, for example, a YouTube channel link, a private YouTube channel link for like a gym or whatever that's got training materials or whatever in the as part of their content, and lock that for people that are different levels of a customer. And when they request access, you're able to come in here and turn it on, and they will now have access to that. So it's basically like a paywall without having to pay for it. So that's how everything works. Thanks for watching. But before you go, just want to show you what the email looks like. This is the email that comes into your account. This is an access request. It gives you the account user's email address and says it's requesting access. That's what it looks like. And that's how you set up and use the feature grouping in our platform. Thanks for watching.